Today, concrete on the lower level floor. We're going to pump about 50 yards of concrete. Underneath this slab, you'll see ahead of time we have a 6 mil vapor barrier on the ground on top of the pea gravel we put on previously. On top of that, you'll see R10 insulation across the entire lower slab. The vapor barrier is going to make a big difference for moisture in the lower floor. The R10 is going to make your floor a lot warmer. So we're going to pump the concrete. The guys have the big boom truck going. It's a 38-meter boom truck. It'll take them about 2 to 3 hours to get the concrete initially in the ground, and then several more hours of finishing later. We'll have also expansion joint material, runs all around the perimeter of the foundation, and several locations through the center cuts on these corners. We're going to also run expansion strips. So when the concrete wants to move a little bit, it'll minimize cracking, and if it does crack, it's supposed to go right where the expansion strips are. So right now, it's all about concrete today. We've got a big crew to do this. It's all hands on deck.